In a sunlit city of doodled skies, a quirky crew plans a mission to fix a blinking color clock. Nova the Spark Sprite, Milo the shy inventor mouse, and Pippin, the hopeful cloud creature, discover that teamwork turns mishaps into laughter. When the clock splashes the town in monochrome, they swap fears for giggles and learn new skills that strengthen their bonds. Their antics include gliding on ramps, solving a riddle from the Sleepy Turtle librarian, and painting color back into the streets. By the end, they celebrate growth and vow to support one another on tomorrow's bright, goofy adventures.